Hey there guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take the stator off. I replaced it already yesterday, but the video I made, they're not good enough, so because I have to put a new gasket anyway, at this point I'm just going to show you again. So all you need for this job is an 8mm, like that, and I believe inside the stator there is another bolt which is 7mm. I don't know why they put two different sizes, but that's the way it is. So 7 and 8mm. Alright, let's get into this. Also, if you put your bike on, if you lean your bike on the side, on the opposite side, you don't have to drain the oil. So you can take the cover without draining. Just gonna skip this part. So once you took all of these bolts already, for those ones that doesn't know that, you're gonna have to take all of these bolts as well, these three, because the culverts come in one piece only. And I'm gonna show you this part in a second because it's really important to take this part in the right way, since there's washers and you don't want to lose them. So once you take these bolts, you slowly take this out, and there is a few washers. So there was a washer here, and yes, I accidentally dropped it inside the stator. So hopefully it's not inside the engine. I think it just went inside the stator. It must be here somewhere. We'll look at it in a second. That's the way the starting gear's built. Okay, so I'm going to show you this because you have to put it back in the same spot. There is that wheel. It's the bearing here. It goes into this. Okay, and there is two different washers here. So as you can see, the first one, it's a spring wash. A spring washer. It's not the same. See? Anyway, I'm gonna open the stator in 1 second. So there's one bolt here at the bottom. Hopefully you can see this bolt here. Be really careful with this one as well. There you go. Pull these bolts away. They're all the same length. Those ones are the same length. These three are shorter. I'm trying to take the cover off. You should be able to do it with your hands. Yeah. Yeah, the gasket's gone. There you go, the washer was trapped there, and we got it back, so everything's fine. By the way, this washer this washer is just gonna sit on top of it, like that. But I'm gonna show you this properly once I have to put everything back in. All right. So basically what I gotta do is fix this piece of plastic, piece of rubber, whatever it is in here, put it properly. I changed the stator raise out, as you can see. There is 3 10mm bolts, and that one here at the very top, this one, this is 7mm. It's pretty easy to change. Just take this off, put the new one in, and that's it basically. So I'll come back in a few minutes since I have to clean this. I have to clean all the edges and then put the new gasket in. So basically, how to put the gasket. Just put a bit of oil around it so it will stick. So once I put the oil in, it stick properly and it's not gonna move when you're trying to put the cover back in. It will hopefully stay in place. So make sure all the holes they are aligned, and then that's it pretty much. Just gonna put some liquid gasket here with this this is gonna sit like that on top of it. Just gonna put some gasket around it, make sure be just extra safe, you know, but you don't have to. I just don't trust this enough. Give me a couple of seconds and I'll show you how to put this back in. There you go, we're trying to put this back in now. Put it on top. Make sure the gasket it's not fucking around. At this moment it's a bit how you get on. As you can see. Alright, everything it sits perfectly. As you can see, I came off the bike last year, but it's not leaking from here. I just scratch. Give it a little clean, and so it's easy for you to see if it's leaking somewhere once you turn the bike on. I actually have an advice for you. Don't get these covers from eBay, because I did, and basically it was a couple of millimeters too let's say less wider, and the starting gear was touching the aluminium, was making an awkward noise all the time. So don't, just get the original one, even second hand if you can find any. Better than trash your bike. So here we go. So those 3 are exactly the same, and this one it's longer. So if you remember that, it's easy like that. There's no need to tie too much. So, alright, now I'm going to show you how to put this starting gear back in. Use a little bit of oil, it's always recommended. Let me get mine. So that's the one I'm doing. Other people do it different way, but I like to do this way. So I'm putting this one first. So as I say, I'm putting oil everywhere, a little bit, just to keep lubricated and clean. Then you got these 2 washers, which are exactly the same. Okay, you got 3 washers in total. These 2 are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which one you put first. So put one of them, slide all the way to the bottom. Then what I do is put the bearing in. Let me put some oil on it. Keep clean and lubricated always. Outside, inside the bearing as well. So here you go. That's the bearing. Come on, get focused. Anyway, that's the bearing. You put it in. Slide slowly in. Always a little oil as well here on the wheel. That's the wheel. Put it in. Just slide like that. And there you go, the tricky part. So you think it's on now, but it's not. It's not in position yet. So you're gonna have to twist and push it at the same time. You feel that click? Now it's on. And you can see the gap here on the bottom. It's bigger. See? Now it's in position. After that, the other washer, the one that is exactly the same as the first one. Somebody just put the trash. Alright, this in. And the last one's called spring washer. So this one's got a funny shape. If the camera can focus, thank you. Yeah. That's the last one. And then the collar. Just put a bit of oil in there as well. And then that's it, it's good to go.